Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praises be to Allah and peace be upon to His beloved messenger. Dear learners, this is Sadia Kuyum once again, your teacher in Government High School Hanga Mawar, hoping you all are well and may God bless you, guide you, keep you safe and give you peace. As we have completed the current chapter, namely urban administration, now there are some textual questions to be answered. Let us start. Question number 1 is, why did the children go to Yasmin Khala's house? Answer: the children wanted to replace the street light which was broken by them. Hence, Rahina suggested that the children visit Yasmin Khala's house to understand the procedures for getting it replaced. Second question, list 4 ways in which the work of the municipal corporation affects the life of a city dweller. Answer: construction of roads, street lights, parks, etc. Second point, disposal of garbage. Third point, maintenance of drainage system. Fourth point, supply of drinking water and electricity. Question number third, who is a municipal councillor? Answer: he is an elected member of the committee of a municipal corporation. Fourth question, what did Gangabai do and why? Answer: she was protesting against the ward councillor. Due to the lack of maintenance of streets, the garbage was not being disposed of, and this was creating a menace in the locality due to dogs, rats, flies, and mosquitoes. Fifth question, how does the municipal corporation earn the money to do its work? Answer: they usually earn their money by imposing the following taxes. First is education tax. Second, by imposing a tax on hotels and shops. Third, movie tax. Fourth, house tax. Moving on, the next question is discuss. In the two photographs, you see different ways of collecting and disposing garbage. These two photographs are shown on your textbook on page number 69. Its first question is, which way do you think provides safety to the person disposing garbage? Answer: the second photograph shows the right and safer way of disposing of the garbage. Second question, what are the dangers of collecting garbage in the manner shown in the first photograph? Answer: the person collecting garbage will fall sick due to various diseases. Its third question, why do you think that proper ways of disposing garbage are not available to those who work in municipalities? Answer: one reason could be due to the apathy of the concerned officials. The other reason could be a lack of funds. Now, the next question is, it is seventh question. It is, why do you think it is important that the corporation should spend more money on slum localities? Why is it important that the municipal corporation provide the poor in the city with the same facilities that the rich get? Answer: lack of basic facilities leads to various health issues. It leads to the rapid spread of diseases which can be dangerous for the well-being of the entire society. It leads to excess expenditure on health care, which can be a burden on the government. The Constitution guarantees a life of dignity for all its citizens. Not providing the basic facilities is equal to stealing their basic rights to a decent livelihood. Question number 8 is an activity that you need to carry out at your school. With this, I conclude my today's lecture. Stay home, stay safe, have a good day ahead. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.